Some of our top weather concerns on this Saturday include a stormy start to the day in the northeast, ongoing fire weather concerns across parts of the west, hot weather on the way for the southwest, and a storm threat for later in the day in the Midwest. But we begin in Boston, Massachusetts, where we had some very stormy weather just to the west of the Boston area. Earlier on in the day, there was a tornado warning impacting areas west of the Boston area. So certainly active start to the Saturday. And ongoing shower and thunderstorm activity continuing throughout the first part of the day. That moves off the coast, but we do have some flash flood watches in effect for the green shaded areas with heavy rain coming in a fairly short period of time. But eventually drier weather will be building back in. So you'll notice on our forecast here that any lingering wet weather moves off the coast through the later afternoon into the evening hours. We then turn our attention back toward the upper Midwest. Minnesota really in the midst of some of the stronger storms as the day goes on today, but nothing of the sort across the west, and that's where the hot and dry weather will be continuing, and that's where we may see some fire weather concerns. But in terms of severe weather later in the day today, we'll be watching portions of eastern South Dakota, central northern Minnesota under a slight risk for severe storms, but that marginal threat also includes much of the upper Midwest from the Great Lakes all the way down through northern Colorado. And then back to the southwest where we're watching for ongoing fire weather concerns. Of course, we've had the Ferguson fire that's burning just to the east of the San Francisco area there in the Sierra Nevada mountains, and that continues to burn at 36% containment and red flag warning stretching from northern California all the way up through the southern portions of Wyoming. Hot weather on the way across the southwest as well. Triple-digit heat from Las Vegas down through Tucson.